2004 Toyota Sienna outer brake light bulb replacement. Sometimes you could give it a little bump and then it'll last a few more miles before you get home. Alright, so we're doing this one like I said. Let's go ahead and open this. Come to these bolts right here. Here, 10 millimeter. Let's go ahead and get these off. Got one, and get this one. Make sure you save these bolts because we're going to put them back in after the bulb's replaced. Alright, got our second one, save that. And then we're going to grab this housing and then kind of wiggle it and pull it out towards us. Just kind of, they could be kind of stubborn. And then just pull it out the side. Alright, careful not to let it go and scratch your paint. It comes out right there. There's that. Want to come in here and disconnect that electrical connector. There's a little tab on the bottom. Alright, I'll show you this tab. It's this little button right here. So basically you'll push this button, pull this connector out, that little button in the center. It's kind of small, but then we got this, and let's go take a closer look at this. So there's a tab right here. Lift this tab up right there, and then kind of just get your finger back here. We're gonna pull this assembly out, this little gray assembly. It has the bulbs on it, like that. And then we're gonna change out the bulb that was not working. Mine was this dual filament one. It's been not working, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this out. How you want to get it out is you push down on it gently, and you turn, and then it comes right out. It has these little pegs on the side of the light bulb that guide it in. So let me go and get the new bulb. Here's my new one, and the number on this new one says 2057. My old bulb didn't have that number on it. It just had a bunch of numbers. I think it was labeled differently, but this is a 2057, 2057. Dual filament. It has the dual filament in there. Sorry about the autofocus. So this is how I put it in. The peg that's towards the bottom, it goes on the right side when you're looking at it like this. We're going to put it in kind of sideways. Like this, sideways, push down gently, and then turn the bulb only, and you should feel it turn and lock in place. If you're doing this bulb, it's pretty much the same procedure, just turn it and pull it up, but you're going to need a different bulb number for that one because it looks like it's a single filament bulb, meaning there's two wires or there's one wire inside of it. Alright, so when you put this back on, there's this little center tab that sticks out. And we're going to put this on it and then push this on. It should click right in the middle. It should only go one way. And we'll go ahead and put this back on the car. Alright, you're just going to plug it in. This connector goes in. It only goes in one way. Go ahead and just plug this guy in. Alright, and then you should hear him click. Go ahead and test these bulbs out real quick before we put it all back together. Alright, looks good. And then for the brake light, you'd have to have someone step on the brake to test it. And when you put this in, you want to get these, line up these holes back here, and get it in that hole. This little peg, so we'll get that in, and then it could just kind of slide in place here, and then you just put your two 10 millimeter bolts in.